Stop. Up your feet are together and your back is involved. Go butt, hips and try to touch the floor. As soon as your fingers hit down, extend your hands until you reach the push point. Crawl your way back to the starting position by putting your hands back again, lifting your hips up on the ceiling. When your feet are down, bend down, buttocks and then lift yourself back up to a standing position. Start on your left side, with your elbow directly below. Your shoulder and forearm are perpendicular to your body. Place your feet or place one in front of the other. Tighten your abs and lift your hips down until your body forms a diagonal line from your shoulder to your feet. Hold this position for 30 to 45 seconds. Swap sides and repeat. Start in a sitting position, knees bent at 90-degree angles and feet are low. Reach your arms forward, palms facing each other. Exhale, you pull the belly button toward your spine. Turn back to your tailbone and bend your spine into a C shape. Inhale and return to the starting position. Repeat to make 15 more crunches. Start by always straightening your knees and feet down to the ground. Focus on the back, balance on your sit bones and raise your own legs off the ground. Stretch your arms straight, palms up. Your body will do it. Form a V shape. Hold for 30 seconds. First dry the plank with your feet and put in a towel, bag, or frisbee. Go forward, using only your hands and drag yours low body and 10 to 20 yards. Keep your spine and glutes strong as you move forward. Take a moment's rest and the crocodile will drag you back there he began. Take a break and repeat. Thank you for watching and subscribe to my channel.